Here's how you can use Google Pay on iPhone. If you've switched from Android to an iPhone, you might notice that you can't find the Google Pay or Google Wallet app in the App Store. However, you can still manage your Google payment methods through your iPhone's browser. Open your browser and search for Google Pay. Then, open the official Google Pay website. From there, sign in to the Google account associated with your payment information. Once you're signed in, you can access your saved payment methods and manage them directly from the website. You can add new payment methods by selecting the option to add a payment method and entering your card details. You can also manage other items, such as loyalty cards or gift cards, if they're supported by your account. However, there's an important limitation. You cannot use the Google Pay website to make contactless payments with your iPhone. The website is mainly useful for managing your Google payment methods and account information. If you have a card that you previously used with Google Pay and want to use it for contactless payments on your iPhone, you can add the supported card directly to Apple Wallet and use Apple Pay instead. That's all for this video. Thanks.